Hi, welcome to Northern Caribbean University. Today we are in another exciting activity here on our main campus, and this time we have some students doing an extraordinary activity. We want to ask you, please, what's your name?
Okay, Tamari Johnson Williams.
Tamari Johnson Williams.
Yes.
And from which school?
We're from the Department of Teacher Education.
Okay, that's excellent. So tell us about the activity that is going on today.
All right, well, for this activity, it's actually out of the course Educational Psychology, and we are doing an outreach project. Every semester, the students are engaged in some sort of community service, well, service learning really is a part of the unit that they have to cover for the semester. And so one of the objective for this is for us to build awareness on the campus, picking up our trash, using the bins, because we've been noticing that some students have not been utilizing the bins. We wanted to bring awareness.
Okay, I saw a lot of excitement across the road. I saw the students there like they were telling the drivers something. What is the message that you have for them?
We want them to understand that it's not okay to just toss your garbage through the windows. It's not okay to throw the garbage on the road because it affects everybody. So we went to the main gate. We showcased our signs that we made in class. Some of the signs talk about keeping Jamaica clean, using a bin, recycle, reuse, because we wanted to build awareness. And because the vehicles are passing, they're going to different places. So if they can hear, they're going to take that message with them wherever they're going.
Okay, and what about here on campus? Are the students also participating in these activities? The rest of the students, I'm talking about
yes.
the entire student population.
Well, it's nothing that we've advertised. Student Services is aware, LPRM is aware, but we paraded on the campus from this morning, and that's the reason we set the booth up so others who are passing by can stop, ask questions, and understand what we have here, if there are any questions, just to build awareness. The students have been creative, been making up songs about keeping NCU clean, keeping the campus clean. So we've been using music and visual aids to bring that awareness.
Are plans in the future for us to, let's say, have some kind of training for the rest of the community about how to recycle, how we can keep the environment clean?
Well, I am not officially, but we are aware that I think there's a group on campus that's currently involved in collecting plastic bottles.
Yeah, I have seen that.
Right.
I think it's in psychology as well.
Right, so this is just to reinforce the efforts that they have been making. In addition to building awareness, general awareness, not just on campus, but when you go into your homes, make sure that you take care of the environment. One of the main things we want to emphasize is that God gave us all this greenery. We want to keep it green and we want to respect it. We want to respect what He has given to us.
All right, perfect. Thank you very much then.
Thank you.
We invite not just the community here from Northern Caribbean University, but also the entire community in Jamaica to participate in projects like this one, so that we can keep Jamaica clean.
That's right.
Right?
Yes.
So what do you want to tell the public?
Well, we want to tell you to take your trash with you. If you don't see a bin, make sure that you take care of your environment, clean up, and respect the environment. Respect it, because if you don't respect it, you're mistreating it, and eventually it's going to come back to affect you. So take care of our environment, and as teachers, we want to make sure that we promote that message in our students, because we're all teacher education, and we want to make sure that we promote that message. So keep the environment clean, keep your school clean, because if we treat it well, it will take care of us.
All right, thanks very much. I don't see your students. Where are they?
They're right here.
So where are the students? Come here, please. And what is the message you want to tell everybody? Do you have a song?
Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Let us get the choir together. Come, people.